Hello everyone, this is Tech Media GH with GMK. In this particular video tutorial, we are going to take you through how to few things you should do to prevent losing your Android phone or your smartphone. Few things you should do to prevent losing your smartphone. It's very simple. So here we go. First of all, you are going to look for your Google account. So you have to look for the Google settings by going to your settings on your phone. I have my own here. Click on it. When you click on it, look out for your, how do we call it, Google. So here I have it here. Google. I have Google here. Click on it. Let's look out to happen. I'm talking about this one. So I have with me here, this is manage your Google account. Manage your Google account. So where to go next? So I'm looking, I have to find my device. So I have ads, autofill, and then find my device. This one, find my device. You click on it. Now these are the options. Let's look at what happens here. They said turn on find my device so you can find or lock or reset this device if it is lost. Turn on find my device so you can find, lock or reset this device if it is lost. So quickly move here and then you turn it on. So ways to use find my device. So these are some of the ways you can use find my device app. That is, get it on Google Play, and then you can equally move here find my device web. That is, you open web portal. Then find my device helps you locate this device remotely. If you lose this device, it also helps you keep your data safe. So I'll use this one, find my device web. Find my device web. Let's look at what will happen. Let's have a look at something. A little bit of find my device. So don't forget I use how do we call it, Galaxy Tab 4. So I just quickly want to do something on the next one for my cherries. Put it off. On my second phone, I want to do something for our cherished viewers, subscribers, to also learn something. Yes. So on my second phone, my data is now on. So let me go back and then show you something. So I'm using this one there, find my device web. Let's look at what will happen. So contacting device. So you can see I'm contacting my device. You can hear it is ringing. So Galaxy Tab 4 7 is online. So that is what normally happens. So it's on. Maybe you don't even know where you've placed your phone. You can just visit Find My Device and then you play sound. Let me just click on it for you to see something. So you can hear from the background. So just ringing. So click on any key on the device and then you see something. Let me just show you something. Let me use my screen recorder camera. So this is it. I'll just click on this one and everything goes. So that is it. It's very simple, it's very easy. You can equally do same. So it's very easy. I mean, we have quite a number of settings on our phones that we have no idea about. This is just one of the ways. Let me show you the second one. Find My Device. No, I'm not going to go anywhere. Find My Device. So come back to Find My Device web and then check out something. There are extra settings. Now come to this place, secure device. This one here, click on it. Okay. Now leave anyone who finds your device a message or phone number where you can be reached. So recovery message will be here. Hello, please contact me. On the number below. So you move to the next one, the phone number, and then quickly so I put my own here, 05421 87 883 883. So I'm done. You can still edit some things here. Hello, please contact me on the number below. Let me see something here. Below, should you found my misplaced phone anywhere, so you are good to go. Secure device. Yes, secure request, security checkup. So your device is secured. I have to dismiss that. So it's very simple. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these tutorial videos and more. Please, we upload videos every week. Once again, the name is GMK with Tech Media. Don't forget to share the video with others, and then also comment in the section below. Please turn on the notification bell as well for updates in case anytime we upload videos. Thank you very much. God bless you all, especially our subscribers. We love you all.